this. So quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4. But normally, when we have this quarter report, this is basically shown as the sales executive. So these are the sales executive who have made sale of this much amount in this particular quarter. So Anton has made a sale of $702 in quarter 2, but there are zero sale from him in the remaining 2 quarters. Likewise, if you do enter like this, you can enter the data and work on the template just for the record of the sale that this particular person has made. All right. You can also change this if you want to change. So I want to change this to salesman, right? So that is the information which I have changed. And let me just see if I can add the amount and then make further changes in the sheet numerically. I would want to do that as well. So I will just do the formula. I'll go to auto sum and let me see whether it has given me any amount or not. Yes, it has given me the amount. So what template will allow you, it will not stop you from making any change in the template, but it will only give you the inbuilt help in the form of formulas or in the form of inbuilt worksheet or spreadsheet that you can work on. I can also add, let me see at the end, I can also add more names over here. So if I just write veggie spread again by, maybe any other person, and I can write the amount here, and then this will give me that particular sale in that particular quarter, right? So if I do that same totaling for all columns, let me just do that work for this extra work which is not given in the sheet. So let me just drag it down and let me have the amount for the other columns as well, for the other rows as well. So I will do that, which will actually give me the total sale by all salespeople in that one particular month. Right? So this you can see that this has actually given you the total of the sale made by these individuals in these particular products, right? The other way could be, as you can see that there are same products. We can also do one more categorization that we will see in the other class maybe. We can make sub segments of these products. Like we have veg spread, I don't want it to be repeated every now and then, but here since the sales people are different, it will be repeated. So maybe in the next, maybe in the other classes we can also there is a topic in your syllabus about this as well. So over here this has given me the sale of all individual sale people in all the 4 quarters which I was doing. Similarly, let me have total sale for all people in all quarters in one formula. So I just go to